staring at the mirror and noticing your gums look a little more angry than they did yesterday is a wake-up call for your oral hygiene routine. Most of us just brush harder or buy a fancy rinse, but sometimes the answer is more targeted, like a specialized gum repair gel that focuses on soothing irritation right at the source. You see these tubes and think you can just smear it on and go. That is a mistake. There is a real science to making this work for you. First off, you have to treat your mouth like a clean canvas. You would not paint a dirty wall, right? So you must brush and rinse first to get all that plaque and food out of the way. If the gel is sitting on a layer of gunk, it simply cannot make contact with the gum surface. Once you are clean, grab a pea-sized amount. Seriously, just a tiny bit is all you need. Piling it on like frosting does not make it work any faster. It just makes a messy situation in your mouth. You want to target the specific spots that feel sensitive, inflamed, or look a bit too red. Use a clean finger or a brush with very soft bristles. Massage it in for a full 2 minutes. This is not a quick slap-on job. You are trying to improve absorption and ensure even coverage along that delicate gum line. Now comes the hard part, patience. You have to wait at least 30 minutes before you eat or drink anything. No coffee, no water, no snacks. You want that active layer to stay exactly where you put it. Most people find that doing this right before bed is the absolute sweet spot. You are about to sleep for several hours. This gives the gel a long, quiet window to do its thing without you accidentally washing it away. Another trick is to make sure your gums are as dry as possible before you start. If your mouth is too watery, the gel just gets diluted and slides right off. Use a clean tissue to pat the area dry if you have to. If you are a mouthwash fan, do not use it right after the gel. Space those products out so they do not interfere with each other. You also need to watch your diet for a little while after application. Avoid those spicy or highly acidic foods. Those can undo all that soothing work by irritating the very spots you are trying to heal. Consistency is the real secret to any progress here. You cannot do this once and expect a miracle. Give it at least 2 weeks of daily use twice a day is the gold standard. And keep an eye on the comfort level of your gums. If things still feel painful or you see bleeding that will not stop, that is your clear signal to call a professional. This gel is a supportive helper, not a total replacement for a dental checkup. It is about maintaining a cleaner oral environment and giving your mouth a bit of extra care alongside your usual flossing. Stay light with the pressure during application. Do not scrub or cause more friction. Just coat the area gently and let it sit. If you stick to the plan and treat it like a ritual rather than a chore, you might finally notice those small, positive changes in your gum health that make a huge difference in your daily comfort. It is about being proactive rather than reactive with your smile. Tracking your progress can actually be quite motivating. Note the redness or sensitivity levels each morning. You might see the inflammation start to settle. This isn't just about a product. It's about a better habit. Stick with it and let the formula work its magic while you rest.